Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. Today I want to talk to you guys about time and scheduling. When you're in Thailand, it's important to keep up with time. You want to know when things open and close because you don't want to waste time. You spend 10 hours in the traffic and you go into a restaurant and it's not open. It just pisses you off. Or even an attraction. Okay, you want to go to this water park or whatever attraction outside of Bangkok, and it takes 6 hours to get there. And once you get there, it's closed. That'll be a happy day. You do a happy dance, right? So I'm going to teach you how to ask for time and how to make sure that they open and close and all that nonsense. Okay, so you don't waste any more of your time. Okay, let's go. What time is it? How to say what time is it in Thai? ตอนนี้กี่โมงแล้ว ตอนนี้กี่โมงแล้ว which means what time is it? All right. I would teach you how to tell time, but in Thai, it's so confusing. Even myself, it's I don't even know who came up with the system. That person should be arrested because it's so confusing. Seriously. All right, but today, just all you need to know is ตอนนี้กี่โมงแล้ว You can say กี่โมงแล้วครับ or กี่โมงแล้วคะ which mean what time is it? All right, and is it time to go drinking? And that's if that's important to you because it is important to me. All right, next. When does it open? You call on the phone and you're like, you see how I did this? You see how it is automatically go like this when you call on the phone because I'm old school, right? The new generation will be like this. Yeah. When you call on the phone like this, but for me it's when you call on the phone like this because I'm old school. I shouldn't be doing that. I should start training myself going like this. When you call on the phone, either that or cell phone or one of those a satellite phone, one huge a dog bone looking thing. Anyway, like a brick, right? Yeah. So when you call on the phone, should I do this or this? I don't know. You tell me which one is better, like this or like this. Like number 1 or number 2. Or, I don't know, man. Yeah, when you call on the phone, you say, what time you open? เปิดกี่โมง เปิดกี่โมง which mean what time is open? What time you open? เปิดกี่โมงครับ เปิดกี่โมงคะ All right. Next one is what time you close? Because you're that type of people that you want to show up 5 minutes before they close because it's fun for them, so they can stay longer just to serve you. Yeah. Anyway, don't do that. ปิดกี่โมง means what time you close. ปิดกี่โมงครับ ปิดกี่โมงคะ and call them like this. ปิดกี่โมงครับ or ปิดกี่โมงคะ Yeah, call them first and make sure that it's not too late to go because Thailand traffic is horrible and you want to get there. Anyway, all right, next. I have reservation. Yeah, you get there. I have a reservation. ฉันมีจอง ฉันมีจอง which means I have a reservation. But the thing is in Thailand, you don't really need reservation. No, seriously. There ain't no line out there, man. It's tons of restaurants. Who cares? You can go anywhere. Don't make a reservation. But if you want to, go ahead. But most people don't take a reservation. They'll be like, what do you mean reservation? Unless you go into another hotel. But, I wouldn't. That's just me, though. I never need a reservation. I just walked in. Okay. All right. Next one. Is it too late to order food? I know you're closing in 2 minutes, but is it too late to order food? Can you open up your kitchen and just cook me something because I have a party of 20? Yeah, they love you for that. Yeah. สั่งอาหารทันไหม สั่งอาหารทันไหม which mean is it too late to order food? สั่งอาหารทันไหม just make sure you call and makes the reservation, or you ask them what time it is and what time it's open, what time it closed. And it just saves you tons of time. This might seem a little unnecessary, but if you ask all of this question, it will save you tons of time, because you don't have to go across town, wait in traffic, and you find out it's closed. It's not just a restaurant. It can be like amusement park or a water park or some kind of attraction somewhere. Yeah, it's always gonna have opening and closing hour. Okay, check it out before you go, because it's important. Anyway, my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.